Welcome to text preprocessing. In the world of natural language processing, raw text data is rarely perfect. It can contain typos, punctuation, and irrelevant words. To get accurate results from NLP models, we need to clean and standardize this text, and that's where text preprocessing comes in. So, what is text preprocessing? Text preprocessing involves transforming messy, raw text into a clean format that computers can easily analyze. Imagine you're building a chatbot or a sentiment analysis tool. If your input text is cluttered, the model may struggle to understand it. By cleaning the text, we help the model perform better and faster. Let's explore some key steps of text preprocessing. Tokenization. Tokenization breaks down text into smaller pieces called tokens. For example, the sentence NLP is amazing becomes NLP is amazing. Tokens can be words, phrases, or even whole sentences. Stop word removal. Stop words are common words like the, is, and that don't contribute much meaning. Removing these words helps the model focus on the important terms. Lowercasing. Text is often converted to lowercase to ensure consistency. For instance, hello and hello are treated the same way. Punctuation removal. Punctuation can clutter the text, so it's often removed. For example, hello world becomes hello world. Next, we have two important techniques for handling word variations. Stemming. Stemming reduces words to their root form. For example, running, runs, and ran all become run. This simplifies the vocabulary and reduces complexity. Lemmatization. Lemmatization converts words to their dictionary form or lemma. For example, better becomes good and studies become study. Why is text preprocessing so important? Reduces noise. By removing unnecessary data, we help the model focus on relevant information. Ensures consistency. Clean, uniform data is easier for models to process. Enhances efficiency. Simplifying text reduces computation time and resources. Improves performance. Better input leads to more accurate predictions. Text preprocessing plays a vital role in many NLP applications. For instance, in sentiment analysis, clean text helps determine whether a review is positive or negative. In chatbots, preprocessing ensures user queries are understood accurately. In spam detection, cleaning emails helps identify unwanted messages more efficiently. In machine translation, clean text improves the quality of translations. In summary, text preprocessing is the foundation of any successful NLP project. It ensures the text is ready for analysis, improving model performance and accuracy.